Hi and welcome to Ruth's Kitchen and Garden. So today is Gauri Avhan, which means after 3 days of Ganesh Chaturthi, we bring Goddess Parvati home as our daughter. So we welcome her home. So she's married and she is in at her in-laws place, at her husband's place, but then she comes to her parents house, which is her maternal home after her marriage. So I'm the parent and so is my husband of this Gauri, and we bring her home. So I've prepared some stuff for her to come home. So she's gonna be traveling. So once she comes home, we offer her food, but just because she's traveled and she's tired, the food is not very heavy. The food is simple. It's a millet bhakri with some leafy vegetable, because after you've traveled, you need to eat something very light. So that's the thing. So it's very different at different places. In India, if you see in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, sorry, there are different ways this thing is celebrated. Some people bring in the Gauri, as in they have the statue, they have the murti, as we call it. Then some people bring leaves and they stack them together and they put a mukhota, which is like a face, in front of her, and they worship her. For us, in I don't know if it's a Kokanastha Brahmin thing or it's a coastal area thing, but I'm thinking it's a Kokanastha Brahmin thing, which my husband is. It's they bring these river pebbles and they worship the river pebbles. In the they consider that as Gauri. So they are brought in the number of like 5, 7, and 11. Rest everything remains the same. Here there is no mukhauta, there is no face or mask. There are no jewelries, or there's nothing pompous. It's very simple, and they worship mainly with flowers. But I have tried to do a little variation. I've tried to, because she's a married woman, so I've tried to give her some green bangles and a small Mangalsutra. But yeah, that is my preparation. I will show you how I've laid it out, and then I'll also try and show you the puja, or how we take her. So we bring her in and we take her around the house. We take her near our cupboards, our locker, all the parts of the house, It's like she goes around the entire house, and it's supposed to bring good luck and prosperity and stuff like that. She'll remain for 3 days. She's going to stay for 3 days. So today is the first day. Tomorrow is the puja, where her friends come to meet her. So tomorrow I've called few of my friends, and we also have my friend's baby shower, but very traditional way. It's called Dohal Jevan in Marathi. So I'm going to have a Dohal Jevan, or God Bharai as we call it, for my friend, and she will come as my daughter, my Gauri's friends, 3 of my friends, but we are having 2 occasions together. Fortunately, I didn't know it was coincidental. And the last day is when she goes back home. So that's the Visarjan. We go and keep those pebbles back in the river, and we bring some river sand and then we sprinkle it in the garden or around the house. And again, before she goes back, I think we tie like a little dahi bhat, which is like curd and rice, with her, which will be useful for her in the journey. So that's about it. So today is the first day, and I'll show you how I've arranged it. So it's different. This is called Khadyachi Gauri in Marathi, which is like pebble Gauri. Alright, I'll show it to you. So this is it. Sorry, I'll just keep it this way. So these are 11. So you have to put them in the number of 5, 7, 11. And I've tried to keep some bangles here, green ones, and like a tiny Mangal Sutra. So these are the things, and I've decorated it with like flowers and gajra. So this is my Gauri, and at 4:30, I'm waiting for 4:30 now. It's not yet 4:30. We are gonna take her in and around the house. So now we brought the Gauri inside, and we have to take her all around the house. And there she's resting. In the evening, I'm going to make the Naivedya for her, and that's her food. Now she's resting. We'll let her rest and see her later. This is the Naivedya. It's ragi bhakri, some spinach, and some kalakan that I made yesterday. So this is the day 2 of the so today is Gauri Pujan, and so today is when her friends come to meet her, and they have come outside. But I will show you the preparations that we've done. Her bhog thali or her prasad thali or her nevedya thali. Here it is. I'll show you. So we've got bhakri, we've got kadhi chawal, mugachi usar, matki usar, fansachi bhaji, and this is like amaranth sabzi, laddu, and this is our Gauri. So we'll do puja, and then I'll also show you something. So her friends have come, the celebrations on. So here, like I said, we also have like a god bharai or a baby shower or doha jeevan today for my friend. So this is her plate, and these are for my Gauris. So when they and her friends, so when they sit and dine. So yeah, all my friends are here. So that's it. Now we'll just do puja and we'll start with our function. Thank you. Bye. So that's where my Gauri is sitting, and that's her prasadam or nevedyam. Yeah, so now all my friends are sitting to dine, and I shall dine too. See you. We all know today is the third and the final day, the Gauri, Jeshta Gauri Visarjan. Today is the day when she goes back to her married home. She leaves her parents' home. So we've just finished our puja, and like I said, we send along or we make a tie along this curd and rice with her for her journey. So the puja is done. She's been given dahi bhat, yogurt and rice, and spirits are down because the daughter's leaving. So they say. So we hope that she imparts her strength and power and peace, happiness, good health, prosperity, for us to do all of this with the same enthusiasm again next year. And so for me, Visarjan is going to be, I'm going to do the Visarjan in the bucket, because there's no riverbed. You cannot just freely in Singapore go and discard things. So it's going to be eco-friendly Visarjan. Anyways, this is eco-friendly. So yeah, that's about it. Nothing much to say. So I hope these the preparations of all the 3 days and the Gauri, from the Avhan to the Pujan to the Visarjan, I think you liked everything. If there are any mistakes, like I've said to the goddess as well, that please pardon me. I'm doing it for the first time, but I'm doing it because I love to do it, and there was a lot of excitement. I hope you all also enjoyed this journey. If you all did, please let me know in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon, so if there's any new video you get updates. And yeah, keep showing us your love and support. Thank you for watching. Bye.